In Moodle, you may want to separate out your class into different groups to allow them to work independently on different activities within your course. Now, if you have a lot of students, it may be easier to also create these groups, or if you have a smaller group, you can choose to manually create these groups, which you can see how to do in a separate video. To auto create your groups within your module, come up to Participants. Click the Actions menu, the cog, over to the right, and then select Groups. And this is your Groups table. Down the bottom here you have a number of options, and we want to check Auto Create Groups. So the first thing we need to do is to give it a naming scheme. So it's saying here you can use the @ symbol and that will auto generate letters ABC, or you can use the hash symbol and that will auto generate numbered. So I've gone ahead and typed in group @ so it will auto number, and you can auto create either based on the number of groups that you want or how many members you want in a group. So for this I want to create just 5 groups, so this will distribute the students the best it can into 5 groups. We'll leave everything else at default, and then we can come down here to preview what these groups will look like. And down here now under the groups preview we can see that it's created 5 groups A to E, alphabetically ordered, and then within these groups we can see we've got a user count, and it's put them into 5 users per group, with the exception of group E that only has 4 users, and then we have the users within the group here. If you're happy with that, then we come down and click submit, and then we're back to the groups table, and we can see that users have been assigned to each group.